You know what the hardest thing about addiction is? It convinces you don't need anything else. It becomes your routine, your comfort, your escape. But deep down, you know it's not passion. It's a prison. Here's the truth. The only way to truly break free is to find something greater to run toward. Addiction always pulls you backward. Passion, it pushes you forward. Think about it. The energy you spend feeding an addiction. That same energy, if redirected into building something meaningful, can change your entire life. Whether it's the gym, music, serving your community, your family, or your faith, your passion becomes your weapon. When you wake up and your passion is bigger than your craving, that's when freedom starts. And it won't be easy. You'll stumble. You'll have days where the old habits whisper louder than your new dreams, but discipline will come, and it will keep you steady until passion takes over. So here's my challenge. Stop asking, what will this addiction give me today? And start asking, what will my passion build for me tomorrow? Replace escape with purpose. Replace craving with commitment. Replace addiction with passion. Because passion doesn't just keep you alive, it makes you come alive. Stay strong and stay focused.